Sisia Mediama with 46 points, still leading the table, and Babiano goes out with 45. One more to me, you know. Miansaya Diana with 41 points. How to folk with 41 points, one more toss and 9. Enum Aya Asantoro with 39 points. Now when Karela United and Ra was second with 38 points. Saying a Ghana Premier League table, no. SC at I got roughly 9 matches. Na yabo season na 9 matches na kano ya benya korokwa womo pese womo make abscess na womo G League na se baby heart of folk day and 9 num yi ya bigger clubs no womo achafa and 9 ana num ana enkoda na ene womo di kan womo ba eche ya isi womo ba be di kan ni mom ana egu esoro eno a the upsetter eba and the no obi anim krada da se Karela wo de enye bete se Kotoko betimi akwa we ne ewo ho Karela United esa asante no kobako wa bra omo ntimi ante ana ato folk enso ene Basake Holy Stars a game before that last week nyana meka se ne has betimi awe ne has betimi awe sa na enye bete all folk ebo 0-0 nemo Young Apostles ababi ene go stars ebeza nko G League no omo Young Apostles ese go stars entena miensa amomu etimu baako aduana ewe ni 2-0 against 11 Wonders omo de eja oma Daniel Boa bi obia ebo mu bi medie man so G League na fie Entensi Ho United akwese medie ma 2-1 sa game no ano ne dia obi aka wan say of course Pando out of Lions de evio de All Blacks omo ye den won medinti All Blacks nso kodi nto Ayala Ghana Premier League ase emu aye do because baby yensusu no ase sisiana ade ba sisi media ma pa home TNA se pa so be kwa akofa we wo de enya better se o but no 2-1 pa media ba wow
unum se Ghana League na ekoso no asemi ameke anytime I'm worried so be ameka asemi I say me twetwe me mu bia na se asemi no ne kan me den but I have to say
so odi sise yi
you see me I quite disappointed in Nsem for omo cover Ghana Premier League, you know.
Okay.
Simply because Gabi yendi league na chi ye to know teams I work for and why results be ba send eba no.
Oh, okay.
In Pemprin se oka se o ye good journalism work on the Ghana Premier League. Na open clubs are a form in the Premier League. You go for Karela, you go for Ho United, you go for Vision FC. And see, I am one kakra. When Yabo League every year over the weekend, on social media and on traditional media, the rant is about Argentina Kotoko NTV Argentina Media Men TV Argentina baby any go stars show. Look, the other teams are also playing in the league. And if you pay close attention to Juma Omoya, Omo form.
So for Karela United asema okay, Omo last 4 matches before Kotoko Dieno, no Oma win 3, I draw 1. That is for Karela United.
Form more.
Vision before eno omo draw na omo nso eboy na no draw no. Na no nso omo about 4 matches, omo win 4, omo win 3, I draw 1.
Yes. Omo share breakum Chelsea this weekend. Omo ball draw against Kotoko Kumasi. Omo share dream. Vision asem na make. Go and check the results for Ho United. Since omo new coach Kasim Gukar is buying. Look, to me, in the Ghana Premier League today, say open top 3 best coaches in the league. Unyi Kasim Mfrim, Ho United.
Okay.
Formerly of Asgold, formerly of Bechem United. He is one of the best coaches, our more coaches in the Premier League. Simply because since Oko, I monitor the whole team. But the kind of transformation of the other team, any ball no more bona, even the players themselves. I did to say no. This coach has really transformed us. The understanding of the Ghanaian game. Any ball no more bona. Look, any team be a share where na Kasimbia. Omubo ya team na nkasa na your opposition team nimpo. Ebi Azansi say no. This team is coached very very well. And say pay attention to other teams. Any money the way almost see our former. You may turn your attention and rubbish or win when they get these very very famous wins. And we are born Johnson Smith. And Didi Dramani Koboy. You could clearly see say Johnson Smith in him. Say House of Folk, there is a lot of pressure on them. Since a house share Kotoko, omu winning match be mo. Omu tifie, omu intimi ishe. And Lagos Sports Stadium no, minim at the cross one parking in ye.
Okay.
But the real sa parking in ye papa. And a higher team no, and lacking firepower anymore. They don't have the players to bang in the goals. Hearts have been dependent on Wayo, Hamza, Frank Duku Abora. These are the three strikers. Goals. Look, for the first time in so many years, most of Hearts commentaries are saying, "Oh, did you do a man here by a place and mono or form?"
And no can and come back. And no, Gaba was one day about 3 players spend some House of Folk money. Obo
Benjamin
Asare no bo Kakawidi and one other player. Obo one other player so account about 3 players but also Mama Kenya Sabio.
Look, but
almost ever that.
And no born a deal Ramani boy, you know. Or Bonnie goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. Ni back 4 Amankwa Ransford Ali and OCSB. And the back 4 they be a obo.
Obo Asibi so count. I
think Akwano Edimian boy and he mentioned Benjamin Asare, SB and Ali. Those
yes.
Those are the 3 players.
Yes.
The center pen. And goalkeeper also Maka in Oboni goalkeeper born back 4 years. And over 2 wingers in Henry Boateng and Martin Kakari on the wings. And Obo Poafrani as the number 6. Parko as the number 8. And we get 2 strikers. Typical 4-4-2. Wayo Hamza. 2 wingers. And say they were called Ghana center be a bobia. The goalkeeper. The 2 and 3. The 4 and 5. The 6 and 8. The 7 and 11. The 2 strikers 9 and 10. But Usha game now. Johnson Smith so look. This is House of Folk. My main packet. Me chedi me fifino. Na mi nyomwa. Me reception bo abetimi abom on the counter. One of those counter situations, you know, NMS be quite a red card. Now, my problem with House of Folk and they say, it's not as if say Bono they can't play, but they are not penetrating enough. And almost strikers, you know, and you're clinical enough. Did he bro or bre papa? Sometimes I just be a bit my coachy. That is the truth. And then Bibiana a bit my coach. Ubet be very, very good transforming the knowledge to the players, the execution on the pitch. Problem that may after me I get to the here. Did he seem to speak a lot of big English?
Because simple one's name for
because the only team no.
What
and the way or person or expressing the way I was saying right and the ball. On one park in the city or now with team no okay. He or Kasasa. Hey, but Gabi, 5 games medium intimation. 5.
Near me to say £4 so dear.
Minim dear ha on Felicia. Or say penalty. Who can go no give you away no. And what was bad there at the office for Felicia. Say if you was part of the goalkeepers, blasters for the monitor. Anyone can Felicia good when he must say. He's a very, very good goalkeeper.
But recently in Sanke, goalkeeper.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. He's a very, very good goalkeeper. But anyone dear, a Jane and some.
Kofi, Bram Kakre.
I know man koye. I know man koye.
Bramna, me baby. Ayala dear do meaning baby. I also bet to us free.
Say, you can't Europe. You can't say baby a season you do no. Say, o form started DPR, then you're in trouble.
Weekend the idea CV Mediama what happened to BBN Go Stars.
I went to my winning. No,
Can Go Stars and also any loss na by now can be a bit different story. Nani. Idea about come when say Gab say your season do at this point in time. Ana intimi manage the tiredness of the players.
Oh, okay.
Weekend we almost every Ghana Premier League game I mean monitor Biano. After in the second half, what is the intensity not drop it, players not brebre.
Okay.
And even for the Mediama game, maybe I say Coach Ibrahim Tanko Shesadian. Games are matching in recent times. Usually second half intensity drops, performance drops, and sometimes lose drop you more points on. And it's very important. Yeah. I didn't have a shadow of doubt in my mind. Say Kotoko with Karela no na sembe tom. Oh, na sembe tom. Gabi, the intense heat. No, plus the playing conditions of the turf. Plus, na Kotoko be driving for this long to get to the north before they play a game. Karela phone a chain on watch and on home game. The game plan of Nurudi Namadu in such matches that ball all jibonable. They won't play. Jibonable and run.
We are the ball.
Exactly.
Into the teso. What yes we are.
The bedroom will say, one guy say mistakes.
Okay.
Egging for you to play such a football. And one master the art of setting side traps for the opponent anytime, whether or go away from home and also both you, but most especially if he's playing at home. That's a stadium, no bonny a stadium on Wankasapa. Egging. And with this Kotoko form, with what's happening around Kumasi and Kotoko, I always knew saying they're doing their mom 1-0. I think the Kotoko fan is but again, it tells me the good work that Nurudun Amadi Asanswayo league. I mean, in the conversation of Ghana football, even after say winning league, he doesn't get the clout that I think he has to get. But again, maybe it's up to him, maybe it's up to an handless, and that's why he's not getting that clout. But he again showed his work. So a top quality coach and a Ghana Premier League. Who a team also person who stabilize you in middle table and also say, oh money quality, not Ottoman or not G League now, obetima Jamawa. It's no really amount, whether short term or long term, or where you want the amount. CCR League, I can't just one win. Or we know automatically relegation out, or 40 points. And that was the mandates that was given to him by Karela. Then he can go on to see so betime you Kotoko a free name, or betime he has a free name, because all of those two clubs, even to third, I think it's just 3 points away from there.
Yeah.
And you know how betime his clubs in your friend. That would be very, very good for Nurina Madu. Yeah, in him there, it's no surprise to us. Now, where when you say away league, away form, home form, Kwanedi Bowling and Hearts would have been relegated this season.
Shanke home form.
Yeah, the last but one home form in him. Oko home form now. Across the the last but one.
Wow.
All of them are vast points no munyan away from home. And Gabi, and remember, Musana has fans DB so we say, are they almost form home games? Nothing, almost found because only if you are Accra Sports Stadium. And also University of Ghana Stadium on that say honor ye kakramom. They should bring it there. Now, still the results are like that. And I find it difficult for anybody to say that the same place in the ball no away. What is the problem?
Hey, Kofi, 19 points appeal.
Yeah.
After 12 matches.
House of Folk Kenya just 3 wins. 3 wins of Fianco Beji League this season. 3 wins. And a draw probably gives us 10 points.
And the team has here at the 10 home form here 11-1.
11-1 when you are just 3 wins, and you can look at some of the teams that will lose to 2 of you.
I bet they are kind of issue because 11-1 there's no way.
Yeah.
And this points are one just 11-1 spend our points at 10 home.
Yeah.
Oh, seriously.
The boss is in New Year has almost sad. They really need to analyze the situation to find out the only problem in Tia has every of you. But omoko away from what is the problem? Porcupine, my friend is a phobia tertiary nearby for Kotoko matches. No, do they need to start bringing these boys from home matches now? Is it because players don't feel at home when they play at home now? What is the problem in our hearts when it comes to home form?
Because
in Korea, Caribbean in the country.
But who's a home form? And they said the way analysis for one on in the situations are games in the come.
Yeah,
how square we are. They are free to let you play.
Okay.
na omo de maoli wa yo mu ni omo species no abo on the counter ba kutoma you are dead but has bo fear because omo no mo bo fear they can't allow you to play.
Okay.
And also omo no mo bo because that is what the supporters came to watch. Some pressure no on say has mum and taking game no to omo opponent no and no omo nim yet.
Wow.
Until they end up passing. Opponent ni bomu no exit deep no. Now they has the on kofo away no. Omo di bia yo omo. Until the game philosophy and a different. And that is where they found omo self want. When obo fear na who take initiative no. Then it means that you need to create more and you need to be clinical. Has are not clinical.
Komo die minyapa nka we die nka be ye yipa.
Okay, so the has bit magic league.
Comedy league.
And has 80 has what the form of obi oya content the beer or fear and come league no obi oya content na mediema
mediema
baby any go stars Adriana
Santa Kotoko
and has e wo mu home form ni bi sanko for ya bobo mu di say no mu show fear saka has et sa and
while some of the house players do complain say the support that Omunya, if they go away from home, they don't get it at home. I mean, a superficial to me, any idea which you says this is okay, then that is the only reason. But has players say some more back Kotoko Asante Kotoko. The way Phobia Tertiary will come and support them regardless, different. They say that some even in the Bono region, or fans no. How they come to the stadium to come and support them, no. They feel the support. But the Omubo, it is always constant. Sebe Onyaye Bibi throughout the stands and a drop. You can't just. That is why make us say should Hearts also find a way to get Phobia Tertiary consistent at home.
Who say they're okay? Maybe to my enye because Saoko aware. Enye supporters on my home. And omono. They are taking opportunity of say once the whole season, you know, to come and give you support. They will always have the opportunity to fall in love with you. Now me best them now won't me show fear no. Me ba me ya day. Mami 1 minute. Mami 1 minute. To win at home.
Men samre sisi e.
Be ma wo junso ni mu pai. Ebi kam. Eya o eni moja